Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make $100 a day online. And if this is your first time to the channel, this channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. And if those are topics you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. And if you're returning to the channel, thank you guys. I appreciate you so much. And I apologize for the audio in a lot of my videos lately, but I've taken care of the problem. I got a new laptop, got a microphone, and everything should be fine from here on out, and I appreciate you guys sticking with me. That being said, let's go ahead and get into how to make $100 a day online. This is a company called Copy and Paste Ads, and you can get paid to post ads. So we're going to scroll down here and just tell you a little bit about the system. You have the resale rights to the Copy and Paste ad system. There's a video that does all the selling and telling for you, a 1-minute voicemail audio. You have a back office. You can track your commissions, track your ads, over 100 free and paid places to post ads, 15 pre-written follow-up messages, and I'll tell you these are very good messages. I've read all of them. Step-by-step instructional videos on how to get set up quickly. I'm going to show you that here in just a minute. Hands-free ad posting tools and services. And let me just show you the frequently asked questions. Is there any monthly fees? No, but you do pay a one-time $49 admin fee and a one-time $100 reseller fee. And then if you want to get a personalized number to use in your ads, which I highly recommend, and I have that, it's $9.95 a month, which is really, really inexpensive. And then there's also a free version, but they come with an extension. Do you have to talk to people that respond to your ad? Absolutely not. You send them emails. Do you have a follow-up system? Yes. Again, there's the 15 pre-written follow-up messages. Do you have, how much can you make each day? Is there a limit? No. You make as much as you want to make each day. Do you have a support system? Yes, there's a 24-hour email support system. And it says even though most support tickets are answered within a couple of hours, can take 24 hours to respond to your ticket. But I want to tell you that we do have a Facebook group, so you can get your questions answered there. Is there any guarantees or refunds? Absolutely not. No income claims are made, implied, or guaranteed. Success is, of course, 100% dependent on your own effort. Because of the instant access to the back office software, tools, and resources, there is a no refund policy. Let me show you what the back office looks like. Okay, so when you get in here, you can get up and running in just hardly any time. You click on Start here. The first thing you're going to add your payment details. This is how you're going to get paid. So it's 3 different ways. It's PayPal, Stripe, or the Cash app. 3 different ways. Download the voicemail message. This is not your voice on here. It's a pre-recorded message, and you download it to your own personalized phone number. So then when people call that, they are instructed to leave their name and their email, and then you get back to them via email. So that's, you're going to set up your personal voicemail box. Super easy to do, just a few minutes. Then you have access to all these ads that you're going to copy and paste, and you're going to add your voicemail number at the bottom. So there are lots of different sample ads here. They're very, very good. You're going to put your voicemail at the end of those, and then you're going to start posting your ads. You have 100 different places you can post. Some are free, some are paid. I would recommend doing paid advertising because you're going to have more traffic. You can do it free, but it's just going to take you longer to get to that $100 a day. What I would recommend is Craigslist. I have a training here that I would recommend. I have this training as well. This is showing you how to generate 50+ leads a day, 1 to 2 signups a day in any home business. But Craigslist is something that people, you may be afraid of it because you've heard people getting their accounts flagged, but this training shows you how to post on Craigslist multiple times a day without getting ghosted, how to easily post 50+ ads a day on Craigslist. Now you say, okay, well, you have to pay money to post some of these ads. Yes, you do, but you're going to get a lot better traffic, a lot better sales. Okay, so let's say you have to pay $30, maybe $45 for one ad that lasts for 30 days, and you make even one sale, you're going to be in profit. There was someone in our Facebook group, I can't remember how much they paid for the ad, but they had already made 2 sales. So, you know, it makes sense that you can definitely make money with paid advertising. Okay, so again, I would recommend this training here. But they do have, let's see here, where were we? They do have this ebook where you get all these places to advertise. It just, you know, if you're going to do the free way, it's just going to take you a lot of time. Then when people leave, when they listen to your voicemail, they're going to leave their name and their email. And you're going to follow up with this email right here. I'll show you exactly what to do. Send this to them. Okay. Be consistent and repeat steps 4 to 6 every day. And you'll watch, start making money. In our Facebook group we have every day people posting that they made $100, so you can make multiple sales a day. I wanted to show you what else you get. You're just going to store your contacts. You're going to have lead capture pages that you can choose from if you want to do some other type of advertising, or just post these in your ad as well. But I would recommend putting in your voicemail, your phone number, so they can leave you a voicemail. Those are the pages. You get ad tracking. You have autoresponder emails. These 15. Oh, actually, there's more than that. Oh no, these are the days that they go out, so you can use these email autoresponder emails, how to set up your voicemail, sample ads. This is what we've gone through before. So it's very very easy to do. It's just going to take you some time, and you're just going to have to be super consistent in doing it. But I would recommend copy and paste ads, as well as this Craigslist traffic bananas. So that is how to make $100 a day online. I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video. The first link is going to be to the copy and paste ad system. Second one's going to be for the Craigslist traffic bananas, how to post on Craigslist and make sales every single day. Again, no guarantee of income, but it has worked for many other people. If you found value from this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And if you have any questions about this, go ahead and leave a comment below. And again, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Appreciate you guys. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.